back to my channel. So, I'm Brittany from Forever Brittany TV, and this is my channel. So, right now, we're going to do a cooking segment, because I said that on the weekends, we'll probably do cooking. And we're making chicken salad, okay? So, I am using, hold on. It's kind of wet because I had it thrown out, so I have to flip the camera. Hold on.
Okay, so I have chicken thighs, which I'm going to clean, and I also have 2 bowls. One bowl I'm gonna use to clean the chicken thighs with and let them soak for a while, and then the other bowl is actually going to be how I make it. I also have a chopper for tripod, a chopper, and then I have celery. That's what the chopper is for, and the onion. I think I also have a green pepper somewhere around here. I have a spatula. This will be the mayo I use, and I'm gonna have some mustard as well, but I don't have it. Also, right now I have some season in my pot with water boiling right now at a low to get ready for the chicken. And when we throw the chicken in there, it'd be nice and flavored water to go right into the chicken. So therefore, I'm gonna keep prepping all of this, and then I'll see y'all later. Okay, I'm back, and I have the celery, the green pepper, and the onion all washed up. So what I basically do is start with the celery first. I might use those later, so I don't know. But I take them and I put them inside of the chopper. Make sure my chopper is right. I'm about to get another knife. And I have to make a lot of this, so you might think, oh, it's a lot. Yes, it is. So how's your weekend going? Saturday going so far? We supposed to get snow, which is common for us. So, okay, so put this on. And then I dump it right into what I'm using, container. Oops. And if you forget some in it, that's okay, because I'm with the onions, I'm gonna do the same thing in the green pepper. So doesn't even matter. You don't have to keep rinsing it out. Only until you're done. When I'm done, usually that's when I rinse it out. But when I'm doing the trio, what they call it, the Holy Trinity, the onion, the bell pepper, and the celery, I don't usually keep going back and rinsing it off. That just takes up too much time. It's all going to the same place. You can throw a leaf in there, it's okay too. They won't know the difference. Also, I put eggs in mine, boiled eggs. So that will be trashed. Gotta get the stem out first. I just basically cut on the lines. So, like I said, I just put them all together. I think the bell pepper is a little harder. To chop up. So I tried to chop them up kind of small. Okay. And this chopper, it was cheap. It was from like Walmart for like $5 maybe, or Target for 10. Like, it was really cheap, but it worked. Then you have to open it, make sure. See, like I said, the bell pepper, sometimes it doesn't want to chop. So I'll take what doesn't chop out. This is the only part that I say that's kind of messy for me of this. Like, my family love this chicken salad, but I absolutely, this process is so messy for me. Also, you put what you like in there. You don't have to, if you want to add, you know, red peppers instead of green peppers. Oh, I forgot the black. You can, you can just put what's your taste, what you like, you know, your taste buds. If you don't like green peppers, or if your kids don't like green peppers, you don't have to put green peppers in. You don't have to put, if your kids don't like onions, you don't have to put onions in. But you can put any, I'm not going to say any, but you can mainly put any vegetable in here. Blend it up really small. Your kid wouldn't even notice. Sometimes the green pepper too, I like to mix it because it gets a little, you can't really see it, but it tries to get a little foamy. Like, I don't know if you see that. Oh, it has like some juice in it. It tries to get a little juicy and foamy. I don't know what that's about, but if you know, you could comment that down below and let me know. But I have no clue why it does that sometimes. That's why I like to mix it with other stuff. This eye is looking so far. It's a sweet onion. Not gonna put a lot of onion because it will overpower what I'm doing. Now I'm gonna go rinse this off and stuff because I'm gonna prepare it for the chicken. So this is a chicken breast boiling. It's gonna take a while, so I'll see you when it's almost done. Okay, this is the chicken. Almost getting done. Remember, these are chicken thighs. I know I said chicken breasts, but these are chicken thighs. And what we're gonna do after I feel that they're done is let it rest for a little bit, and then I'm gonna put it into the chopper. Okay, so now that I'm back, I have the eggs and I have the chicken all boiled, the chicken thighs. So it doesn't really matter. I can mix it together. But I put the chicken inside, yeah, the eggs. I put the chicken inside of the chopper like this, and then I close it. Sometimes I put it the wrong side. Nope, wrong side. So I try to chop it really fine all the way down. Yeah, the eggs. And this is how it will look. So it's not as messy as the celery, see? Yep, the egg. You can eat that one. Huh, take it. And then with the eggs, I just put them in like that. And then I'm going to put this piece of chicken in there as well, because it really doesn't matter. Like I said, it's all going to get all mixed up together anyways. And that's pretty much how I do it. I'm just going to show you this bit, and then I'm going to get it done, and I'm going to come back. Sometimes you might need to cut the egg, so to get it working. I told you this was a cheap chopper, but it still works amazing. I'm gonna finish, and this is what I have right here. I'm gonna finish doing the chicken, chopping the chicken and the eggs. Then I'll be back. Okay, this is the eggs chopped up. I have to do chicken next. I just wanted to come and let you see the eggs chopped up. Yummy. Okay, so we're back. Then everything is chopped up smoothly, nice, fine. You see how it is? Like, it's just, I don't know. It's just not shredded. It's more chopped fine. So we're gonna start off with this. You can use any mayo you basically want to use, but that's what we're starting off with. And if you want to season your meat, your stuff right here, this, if you want to season it, go right ahead. You know, doesn't really matter. It's your food. You're gonna be eating it, and you can cook it the way you like it. I do have to open another one, so bear with me. And usually when I open up new ones, I just squeeze it out like this. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, we're back. Sorry about that. And I like to add everything in at one time. So like the mayo, like some people, the mustard, some people like it to also have relish in it. If that's what you prefer, then go right ahead. You know, just do what you like. It almost gives you a feel of like tuna salad and egg salad. You know, it should look just the same, have the same consistency or whatnot. Where is the one? I'll come back for that. Right now, I like the spatula also because you see how you can scrape everything. Make sure you get all the ingredients incorporated into it. So I like the spatula as well. See this part? Just basically mixing it all up together. So I'm gonna add some more mayo, and I'm gonna add some more probably mustard. But you see how it is? See how this is how it should be. The celery, I believe that is, or the green peppers, it could have been chopped up more where you wasn't able to recognize it, but that's fine. My kids aren't like picky eaters. They're fine. They'll be fine. And my younger kids, they don't like cry over vegetables. They actually love vegetables. I'm just trying to scrape some more last and put this in there. And you could store this as well. You see the difference between, let me show you. This spoon, when you do like that, and this spatula, watch. Spatula, clean it out. Clean it out. $1 at Dollar Tree. Get you one. Okay, this is the finished product. This is the consistency that it should be, But if you like it chunky, you can have it chunky. It doesn't matter. Yeah, it's yours. You make it your way. So I do have some bread because I wanted to taste it on camera. So you see how this is just going on, like if it was peanut butter or something. Hey, yeah, you might have a little chunks or whatever. So this is it. This is very delicious. Delicious. And it's also healthy. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope you enjoyed the recipe. And you should all try it. Comment down below if you tried it. If you know how to make it, or if you have little tweaks that you can recommend. And I'll try it as well, your way. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.